Hi, my name is Salvador. I come from Spain. I'm going to teach you my move Pickpocket. It's really simple. It's using a charlier with a little thing that I add and to make a card spin with my thumb. Alright, so here's the explanation for Pickpocket. The first thing you need to do is take a card like this and do an angel. You need to do the angel really with your thumb at the very center of the card so that it can balance when you spin it. Then the second thing you're going to do at the same time is do a charlier like this, and then you're going to add on this. So how do you do it? You just do a charlier like this, and then these three fingers are going to grab the packet like this so that it goes in this direction. So you're going to do this so that it bounces on these three fingers, and then your thumb, as you do this, your thumb is going to push down on the packet so that it comes here to make this packet be, to make it be in this position so that you can just close it. Now if you combine these two actions, you get the angel, then you place your hand more like this as you do the movement, and once you're over here, you'll notice that you can just close the packet by doing this with your fingers. So when you're in this position, you want to close it, as I just said, but with the very corner of this card over here at the very pip of the packet right there. And this is going to cause the card to spin. So it's really difficult to make it spin on your thumb all the time, you know, so like this. It often just falls on the deck, but that's completely fine. You can just do it and make the card, you know, fall on the deck and then grab it, drag it to the bottom. So when you do the spin and the card actually, when it falls on top of the deck, what you need to do is, since it's face up, you need to put it face down. So what you're going to do is take your thumb, put it right here, and drag it to the side like this, as your three fingers curl in to grab this whole packet. So you basically take the card right like this as you grab the deck with these three fingers, and then you're going to drag it to the very bottom. Okay, so you can push with your thumb so that the card goes to the bottom and is squared. So thank you for watching, and thank you for learning my move Pickpocket. If you do it on Instagram, please tag me at Salvatore_Dodo and make sure to follow me. So thank you.